So the first question is how many unique students are enrolled in one or more summer school courses. So I'm going to click over here in I2 and just type count. And J2, here's the formula. Equals sum product parentheses 1 slash count if parentheses A2 colon A13181 comma A2 colon A13181. Close the parentheses, and it's Control-Shift-Enter. Not sure why you have to do that, but you do, except for I did it wrong again. Count if, let's try that again. Control-Shift-Enter, and it takes about 30 to 40 seconds for it to process. While it's processing, here's why we had to do the A13181. So if you click on column A and control arrow down, the very last column is 13181. That means there's 13,181 rows. Control arrow back up, and eventually the answer does show up that there's 1,483 unique rows. And we were doing column A because this kid is listed here 8 times. We just wanted to count once. Again, so 1,483 unique student ID numbers.